Welcome to Golden Software's video training for Strater 5. Strater is a superior well log, borehole, and cross-section plotting software package. In this video, I will cover how to create logs in Strater. Logs can be created in the borehole or cross-section view in the same way. All but 2 of the 15 log types in Strater require the user to choose what data will be plotted in the log. Those 2 exceptions are depth logs and function logs. Depth logs need a data table with depth or interval information, but they do not require the user to choose what table to use. Function logs require 1 or more bar and/or line symbol logs to perform calculations on. This video will focus on creating some of the other 13 log types. In Strater, you can create a log whether or not you have already loaded the data for that log into a table. To create a log when you have not yet loaded the data, click on the Log tab in the ribbon bar and click the log type you wish to create from the Create Log section. Move your cursor over the log pane and you will see that it has changed shape to indicate that you should now click where you want the log to appear. An Open dialog appears. In this dialog, we will navigate to the directory containing our data, select the file, and click Open. If the data file contains multiple worksheets, you will see an XLS Import Options dialog. Here you will select the sheet containing the data for your log and click OK. In the Specify Worksheet Column Definitions dialog, you can see a data file preview at the top. If your data file contains a header row, as ours does, check the box next to Specify Column Header Row. Click Next. In the Specify Data Type and Column Positions dialog, we choose the type of table to create, and we map our data columns to the table columns. In this case, the lithology log we are creating can only be created from a lithology table, so the data type is set to lithology and is not active. Our data column headers match the table column headers, so most of the table columns are automatically selected already. If these were incorrect or unspecified, we could click the drop-down lists and select the appropriate data column from the list. Click Finish to create the log and the data table. The table is named based on the sheet name and can be seen as a tab with black text at the top of the view. If there is already a data table containing the data for the log you wish to create, you do not have to perform the steps to load the data again. Instead, click on the Log tab in the ribbon bar and then select the log type you wish to create from the Create Log section. Click your cursor in the log pane where you want the log to appear. The Open dialog appears. This time, rather than selecting a data file from the top portion of the dialog, we select the table we wish to use from the Use Open Table list at the bottom of the dialog. Click Open and the log is created. You can click on a log to edit its properties in the Property Manager. This concludes the training video for creating logs in Strater 5. If you have any additional questions, please contact Golden Software.